Here we want to hard reset this Sony phone. So if I put any password, I don't know the password, so it's not working. Basically what you need to do is turn it off first. So let's go power off. You need to install this software on your computer, whether you have a Mac or a Windows. Xperia Companion. If you have a Windows operating system, you can click it here, or if you have a Mac, you can click here. Once you download it, you need to click on it and install it. So after that, you need to open the app. You need to click on this one, Xperia Phone or tablet, and then in here you just click yes, I know, click next, and then I understand that my personal content will be lost. Click next. Software repair, make sure your device is disconnected from the computer. Okay, turn off your device and wait for 5 seconds. I have already turned it off. Press and hold the volume down button on your device. So before you connect your device, you need to hold the volume down on your phone and then connect the device to the computer while holding the button. I'm holding down the volume down key and I'm connecting the phone to the computer. There we go. It just found the phone now. The repair detail, model, current software, target software, and things like that. Release the button on the device and click next to download the repair. Okay, so I'm gonna click on next. If it's like your first time, it's gonna take around 5 to 10 minutes, but it also depends on your internet speed. So let's wait for this one and see how long it takes, and then I'll show you the next part. Alright, there we go. So the repair is finished. Disconnect your device and turn it on. Note that the first start up after a repair may take longer than usual. So here is my phone. I'm just gonna disconnect it from the computer and then I'm gonna turn it on. And there we go. So here is my phone. I'm just gonna disconnect it from the computer and then I'm gonna turn it on. And there we go. So it's gonna take a little bit longer than other times when you first turn it on after the repair. So let's see. Alright, so here it is. Welcome, and then let's click on get started. Okay, so let's click on accept. Basically this is how you set up everything. So let's use Wi-Fi only, SIM card, no, set up new, connect here. So working now. So I do hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up if it helps you, and let me know if you need any help with that. See you next time.